What does on time mean? Being on time means a delivery associate, DA, is ready to accept an assignment at the start of the shift. This means that the DA has already been clocked in and logged into the Amazon Flex app, as well as received any necessary equipment, etc. DAs must be ready to begin work at the start of the shift. If a delivery associate does not log into the Amazon Flex app, no work can be assigned. If a DA is clocked in for a shift but never logged onto the Amazon Flex app and therefore completes no work while on shift, disciplinary action up to and including immediate termination may occur. Can another person clock in a DA? No. Another individual cannot clock in someone else for a shift. Only the employee may clock him or herself in for a scheduled shift. Does every DA have to clock in or clock out for every shift? Yes. Every clock in and every clock out must be recorded. The clock in and clock out times directly impact payroll processing and must be accurate. Can delivery associates accept packages before clocking in or logging into the Amazon Flex app? No. Packages may not be accepted if the delivery associate has not been appropriately clocked in for the assigned shift and logged into the Flex app. Can a delivery associate pick what days or times he or she want to work? No. Assigned shifts are based on business needs. The greatest need for the business is Saturday and Sunday and Monday. All employees are expected to have availability for these days. Additional hours may be assigned throughout the week if there is a business need and the DA has demonstrated consistent reliability in his or her attendance. What does a delivery associate do once the assigned shift schedule is received? Once an associate shift schedule is received, a delivery associate has 24 hours to confirm receipt of the schedule. Confirmations should be sent to schedule@dutch-express.com. To whom should a delivery associate reach out to when he or she has questions regarding a schedule or a shift? All questions related to schedules or shifts must be directed to the Resource Schedule Coordinator, schedule@dutch-express.com. If a delivery associate is scheduled for a shift and cannot attend that shift as expected, they must notify the scheduler in advance of the shift by emailing schedule@dutch-express.com. Can a delivery associate, walker, work as a delivery associate, driver if the shift is short a driver? No, walkers cannot be switched between positions without prior approval from management. What should a delivery associate do when he or she is having difficulty completing an assignment? A delivery associate must continuously communicate with the dispatcher on shift when encountering any difficulties while attempting to make a delivery. A delivery associate who fails to communicate with his or her dispatcher while on shift and fails to make the deliveries as expected may be subject to disciplinary action up to and including termination of employment for poor work performance. What should a delivery associate do if his or her phone is about to die from lack of battery charge? Delivery associates are expected to have a fully charged phone at the start of the shift. If a DA realizes that during the end of the shift, their battery is low, the DA is expected to update dispatch. If no notification was previously provided and the DA is consistently unreachable, the delivery associate will be subject to disciplinary action, up to and including termination of employment. Can a delivery associate use a personal bike, scooter, skateboard, vehicle, or other personal mode of transportation when completing an assignment? No. Delivery associates are only permitted to make deliveries on behalf of the company using company-approved methods of transportation via foot, city bus, or train. What happens if a delivery associate gets into an altercation, argument, etc. with a client, customer, coworker, or member of another on-site DSP? All incidents must be reported to the supervisor immediately. Additionally, if a delivery associate acts in an unprofessional manner with a client, customer, coworker, or member of another on-site DSP, the delivery associate will be subject to disciplinary action up to and including termination of employment. Whom should a delivery associate call if he or she has questions regarding pay? All questions related to pay, hourly rates, payroll, overtime pay, tips, etc. must be directed to the payroll specialist, Christine at Dutch-Express.com. What is the difference between a pay schedule and a shift schedule? Schedules are designed to cover a traditional week for ease of planning. This means that a schedule is created and distributed based on a Sunday through Saturday work schedule. Payroll is based on hours worked between Saturday and Friday. This is consistent with work information that Dutch receives from its clients. Employees are always paid for all hours worked. What is a tip credit? Dutch Express utilizes the tip credit provision in accordance with federal and New York state law. Effective January 18, 2019 through December 30, 2019, in accordance with applicable law, if a delivery associate receives at least $3.65 in tips per hour in a given week, the delivery associate will be paid a base hourly rate or a minimum cash wage of $11.35. In that instance, Dutch Express will claim $3.65 per hour as a tip credit. If you earn less than $3.65 per hour in tips in a given week, but more than $2.25, your cash wage will be $12.75. In that instance, Dutch Express will claim $2.25 per hour as a tip credit. Dutch Express will not under any circumstances take a tip credit in an amount that exceeds the tips you receive in a given week. If you do not receive enough tips in a given week to reach the hourly minimum wage, Dutch Express will not apply the tip credit and your hourly rate will be consistent with New York City's current minimum wage. In addition, all tips received by you must be retained by you. Finally, you should be aware that the IRS requires employees to report all of their tips as taxable income on annual tax returns. Can a delivery associate take home company equipment, i.e., delivery bags, hand trucks, etc., if the delivery associate plans to bring it back for their next shift? No, all company equipment is to be used while completing work on behalf of the company.